Have you ever wondered what makes a tractor truly stand out in the vast sea of agricultural machinery? Why settle for the ordinary when excellence is within reach? Introducing our Cropilots 90 horsepower tractor, where engineering meets ingenuity. Every facet of its design speaks volumes of precision and attention to detail, tailored not just to perform, but to outperform. Dive in and let's explore what makes this gem the choice of modern farmers. Shall we? Taking a closer look at our tractor, you'll appreciate the robustness of the reinforced front drive axle. Designed with premium materials, it effortlessly withstands the challenges of wet, muddy paddy fields. Imagine a tractor that doesn't lose grip, even on slippery terrains. This axle ensures just that, offering outstanding traction and a smooth ride. More than its strength, the unique sealing mechanism stands guard against water and debris, promoting longevity and reduced maintenance. Imagine sitting atop the Cropilots 90 horsepower tractor with a panoramic view of your surroundings. The spacious operation platform is designed to provide an expansive vision, making every task easier. No more straining to see around obstructions or guesswork when aligning crops. With such clarity, precision in tasks becomes second nature. Plus, a broader viewpoint means heightened awareness of the environment, increasing safety while working. In essence, this tractor doesn't just offer power, it brings clarity to every job, ensuring tasks are done efficiently and safely. Picture this: hours on the tractor, yet your hands and arms feel surprisingly refreshed. That's the magic of our hydraulic steering system in action. Instead of wrestling with the wheel, you'll experience a light and effortless operation. The result? More energy, fewer breaks, and a considerably more productive day on the fields. It's not just about making work easier, but smarter too. Experience the precision of Cropilots 12+12 shuttle shift. Designed for a versatile range of tasks, from tilling and sowing to hauling, this mechanism offers a dynamic spectrum of speed choices, ensuring optimal operational efficiency. Furthermore, it caters to various terrains with unparalleled adaptability. Whether navigating flat plains or challenging terrains, this shuttle shift ensures consistent peak performance, embodying our commitment to tailored engineering solutions. I've personally been behind the wheel of a tractor during the peak of a sizzling summer day. Believe me, it's demanding. That's why our tractors come equipped with durable awnings. With this, you're not just driving, you're shielded from the relentless sun and unpredictable rain. No more interruptions or discomfort. It's a game changer, giving you the comfort you deserve and ensuring every task continues seamlessly. Your well-being on the field? That's our priority. Having worked with complex machinery, we recognize the value of simplification. Hence, our tractors come equipped with a segmented power output. This modular design means maintenance is straightforward and efficient. You can pinpoint issues with precision, reducing both downtime and costs. It's our commitment to ensure your operations run as smoothly as possible. At Cropilots, we understand the rigorous demands of farming and heavy-duty operations. Drawing from our experience, we've integrated a reinforced tow hook into our tractors. Not only does this provide a robust connection point, but it also delivers an impressive traction force. No matter the load, you can trust our Cropilots tractor to pull through for you, making each task less daunting and more efficient. In the world of farming, reliability can't be compromised. With the dual-cylinder high-pressure lifting feature integrated into our tractors, you're not just getting raw power. It's the consistent, unwavering force it provides that truly distinguishes our system. Whether you're raising tools or attaching machinery, our dual-cylinder mechanism guarantees smooth and steady lifting. With Cropilots, you can be confident that your operations run seamlessly, without any hitches. Discover the difference with our Cropilots 90 horsepower tractor, where every feature is a testament to thoughtful innovation. Have questions or just a tad curious? Don't hesitate to reach out. And if you're in the neighborhood, why not pop by our factory? We'd love to give you a first-hand look at what sets our tractors apart. Let's cultivate a brighter farming future together.